Hey, what's up YouTube? So today we're starting a new mini-series about the latest 2018 iPhone rumors. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at what this year's lineup is going to look like, when are they coming out, and what are some of the latest updates. So like always, hit that subscribe button to stay on top of the latest iPhone coverage, and like this video if you're excited for this next year's generation iPhones. Also, if you prefer first video, I wanted to recap some of the widely spread information that is already out there to paint the big picture of things. So this video is going to be great if you're brand new to the 2018 iPhone rumor scene and if you want to get a general idea of what's most likely to come. So this year, it's rumored that Apple's going to continue its triple iPhone lineup. They'll be introducing 3 new iPhone models. The first is said to be a second generation version of the current flagship iPhone X, with the bezels are expected to be the same size as the current generation iPhone X, whereas the next generation premium models are expected to have even thinner bezels. But with that being the case, all 3 of the new phones will feature an edge-to-edge display, and they'll all be equipped with the TrueDepth camera system that supports Face ID. Hopefully that will be updated to include landscape and horizontal face recognition. In any case, this means that 2018 will mark the official end of the home button and Touch ID fingerprint sensor. So again, what I do in particular was to get involved in the iPhone rumor scene. It's very peculiar this year as we somewhat know what to expect as far as the next generation iPhone X model goes. We have a good grasp of what the plus size model would look like, but we really are left entirely in the dark on what this 6.1-inch model is going to feature. We really don't even have any hints as to what the names of any of these iPhones are going to be. Is it going to be the iPhone XS? Probably not. The more premium iPhone models might be called the iPhone 11 and 11 Plus, or just the new iPhone, kind of taking along the same naming scheme that the current iPad models have adopted. I've been playing throughout this video is just a quick mock-up I made of these new iPhone models. Again, these are based on real photos that have been leaked. I just made them look a little bit more professional for this video. But back to the rumors, in addition with refining the designs and adding some new features, Apple is likely to deliver some annual enhancements that we've come to expect, new build materials and colors, especially for the lower cost iPhone. We're going to see a bump in processor speeds, faster LTE connection, and an extended battery life. Anyway guys, the reason for making today's video, but again, we really have no idea what they're going to call the 6.1-inch iPhone. I highly doubt they're going to call it the iPhone 9. I'm guessing that name is just going to be skipped entirely. Anyway, I'll end this video with the latest news that has come out. A new rumor has surfaced recently that the lower cost 6.1-inch iPhone may be delayed a few weeks and won't be released until this October. Now this seems a bit strange to me because if the next generation iPhone X models, being the more premium OLED models, if they dropped in September when we typically expect them to drop, that would make this current iPhone X model only 10 months old, because remember, it didn't drop until the same 5.8-inch OLED display. Now the second can be thought of an iPhone X Plus with a larger 6.5-inch OLED display, but still roughly around the same size of the Plus models that are currently out there. Now, along with these 2 more premium OLED iPhones, which will undoubtedly be just as expensive as the current iPhone X, Apple is planning to introduce a new, more affordable 6.1-inch iPhone with a few less premium features like an LCD display, an aluminum body, a single rear lens camera, and slightly larger bezels. Now, the November of this last year, meaning it would be less than a year before it was replaced. So with that being the case, it makes more sense to me if the lower cost iPhone model came out first, and then the more premium next generation iPhone X models were released later in the year. Anyway, in either case, if the rumors are true, one of the iPhone models is going to be delayed until later in 2018, but it's most likely that we can still expect something to be released by Apple in late September. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was very general, but again, it's just to get us started talking about the 2018 iPhone rumors. Again, stay tuned for more videos to come just like this one. I'm really excited to start covering topics like these. If you guys enjoyed them, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button or leaving a comment, and again, subscribe if you haven't yet. But until next time, this is